I'm going to show you how to add a folder to your resource tab. This is where all things are stored before they actually go into a classroom and where they remain as long as you are a member on Schoology. So here are all my classes and some of my private folders. I am going to create a AP folder for future AP students. So I go to Add Resources, Add a Folder, title it, and then I am going to add a color to it, and if I wanted to, I could do a description for my students to see once added to a course. When I'm finished, I just click Create, and you should see that it is down at the bottom of my screen. Now, I'd like to actually move this up onto my list so it's a little higher up. So what I'm going to do is go to Options and then Reorder Collection. So I'm going to scroll down, find my folder. I'm going to click the little arrows that are on the left, click and drag, and I'm going to put it right underneath my Advanced Ceramics folder. When I am done, I click Submit. And you can see now it's been reorganized. So that's how you add a folder and then organize it the way you would like.